Hi everyone, it's me, Pastel, and I'm so happy you decided to join me today. This time, we are drawing this very sweet little duckling, so let's get started. First, I'm going to open my special sketchbook to a fresh new page. And let's choose a crayon. I think today I feel like using orange, red orange. So the first thing we'll do to draw our duckling is let's start with a circle for our duckling's head. Then, about right here on the circle, we're going to draw a straight line. And you can let it angle up just slightly. Then, we're going to draw a big curved line up and around to meet the bottom of our ducky's head. Then, we are going to draw this same shape again, but smaller. And this is going to be our little duck's wing. Now we're going to draw the same shape one more time, but we're going to draw it backwards. And we're going to put it right here. Can you guess what it's going to be? That's right, it's going to be our duckling's bill. All right, let's give our little duck an eye and a little eyebrow. I like to give my animals little eyebrows. I think it gives them so much personality. Now, little legs and feet. Just little L shapes for these. And we're done! We did it! We drew a duckling together. How did yours turn out? Oh, I bet it turned out so nice because you made it. I feel so proud of you. Thank you so much for joining me this time. And until next time, remember to take your creativity everywhere.